Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, if star is an operator such that A star B, so A star B is equals AB multiplied by A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So we have to find the value of 7 star 6. So if we compare A star B with 7 star 6, so A will be equals 7 and B will be equals 6. So it will be AB, so it will become 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by A plus B, that is 7 plus 6 multiplied by A minus B, which is 7 minus 6. So 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7 plus 6 is 13 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So ultimately we will have 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 13, which is equals 546. Therefore 7 operator 6 will be equals 546. Upon checking the options, we see that option A will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.